In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily pause TikTok video. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up TikTok app. Then once you find a video that you want to pause, all you have to do is just tap at that video once, and that will pause that video. So now you can, if you want, get a better look at some of the details, and after that, if you want to play it again, just hit at that video one more time to start playing. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my TikTok tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.